Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best nap mat for kindergarten, the ECR4Kids Everyday Folding Rest Mat. This mat is designed specifically with young children in mind, making nap time both comfortable and convenient for schools, daycares, or even grandparents' homes. The first thing you'll notice about this rest mat is its thoughtful design. Measuring 45 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 1 inch thick when laid flat, it provides ample space for a child to rest comfortably. When folded, it compacts into a neat 19 by 11.25 inches size, making it easy to store or carry. The mat is divided into 4 sections, allowing it to fold neatly and securely. This folding feature not only saves space but also makes it highly portable, perfect for busy classrooms or families on the go. Comfort is key for any nap mat, and ECR4Kids has focused on that by using a foam core covered in tear-resistant vinyl. The vinyl cover is heat-sealed, which means it's water-resistant and protects the mat from spills or accidents, a common concern with little ones. This also makes cleaning the mat a breeze. A simple wipe down is all it takes to keep it fresh and ready for the next nap time. Another thoughtful touch is the mat's two-tone blue and gray design. This isn't just about aesthetics, it serves a practical purpose. Teachers and caregivers can assign one color side as the floor surface and the other as the sleeping surface. This simple system helps maintain a cleaner environment and teaches kids to keep their mats in good condition. Safety and quality are priorities here as well. The foam used in the mat is CertiPure US certified, ensuring it meets strict standards for content, emissions, and durability. Additionally, the mat is GreenGuard Gold certified, meaning it has low chemical emissions, promoting healthier indoor air quality in classrooms and homes. It also complies with the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act, meeting strict regulations to keep children safe. One of the best features about this nap mat is that it comes fully assembled right out of the box. There's no need for complicated setup or additional assembly, so caregivers can spend more time focusing on the kids instead of prepping equipment. Its lightweight design, weighing just about 1 pound, makes it easy for kids to carry themselves, encouraging independence. The versatility of this mat makes it ideal not only for school naps but also for quiet time at home, playtime, or even travel. Its durable materials mean it can withstand daily use and frequent cleaning without losing comfort or shape. In summary, the ECR4Kids Everyday Folding Rest Mat combines convenience, comfort, and safety, making it a standout choice for any kindergarten or childcare setting. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-maintain nap mat that supports restful naps in a clean environment, this mat deserves a close look. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.